Hello, Richard speaking from Eagle Success Soft. We are going to be testing this TM VSR ONE. And this one has gone swimmingly, which is good. This one is it's got the Action Army upgraded trigger set, which obviously we've had to modify to get into there. The actual gun itself. We've got the Laylax Aqua Spring, so the 150. We've got the Psionic R-Hop set, which we've combined with the Maple Leaf MLC chamber. We've got the, which is really nice. It was a very well thought out chamber, and I'm very happy with that product. So that's probably going to be our standard upgrade going forward, I think. So that's been quite nice. Always happy to try some new things, and when it works, we'll make that our meta going forward. We've got the Action Army Twisted Cylinder set. I just think it's the smoothest and neatest looking one. We've got the Action Army Spring Guide to obviously go with that, and it comes with the cylinder set head itself. We've got the barrel spacers for stability, if there is such thing as adding stability to a 200mm barrel. Yeah, we've, like I say, tested it working, shooting lovely and straight, 65 meters just down the line. Barreling nice and powerful, 316 feet per second, so it's hitting nice and hard on 4.3s, yeah, ready for just making sure that obviously it's cocking and can be used on a game day, and everything's all good and working. Oh. Oh. There we go. So it's cocking lovely and smooth. Yeah, like I say, any problems, it's now ready to obviously go back for that sort of longer term testing. I love the concept of this one, that maybe you can sort of run around with like a sort of smaller sniper, run around with a primary, and then maybe just sort of put this in a sheath or something and just pull it out when you need it. Short, easy to move, lots of handling, but huge power. Yeah, so obviously minimum engagements are in effect on these, but you get that ability to just reach out and really hit hard, while having it almost like tucked away. I think it's a very cool idea. So yeah, some sacrifices and obviously barrel length, and the FPS there, but you can hear there it's almost denting the wood. So it's yeah. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.